Hello, this is iMobi. If you encounter iTunes not working properly, such as not being able to read iOS devices, Windows Error 127, or an unknown error occurred, this video will help you how to repair iTunes. First, please open AnyFix and select iTunes Repair function directly. Then the interface will list for categories of iTunes errors, iTunes installation download update errors, iTunes connection backup restore errors, iTunes sync CDB errors, and other iTunes errors. You can choose the repair mode according to the problem you encounter. Here, we take other iTunes errors as an example. Please choose this mode. Then, click Scan Now. After clicking the Scan Now button, the analyzing process will begin. After finishing the analyzing process, you will see the interface below. Please click Deep Repair button. After clicking Deep Repair button, you will see a prompt to instruct you to authorize AnyFix the administrator rights. Please click OK button to give AnyFix permission. Then, the repair process will begin. It will take some time. Please be patient. After finishing the repairing process, you can click Open iTunes button to check if the problem is resolved.